car.
Unfortunately.
No, I have a right to not let you search my...
Officers say they got multiple complaints that a car was swerving, so they make contact in a parking lot.
Hi, miss. I'm Officer Costa with Crystal Lake Police Department. We're just talking to you because we got a couple complaints that you might have been swerving on the road, or...
I don't think I
You don't think you were?
No.
Maybe it was a phone, you're on your phone or for something, or...
No, I'm just a bad driver.
The driver says she's stressed and tells them she's only been pulled over once before.
Put your butt right against there. This officer is gonna ask you some questions, okay?
So, have you been drinking at all tonight? No? You just maybe on your phone or something?
Maybe, yeah.
Where are you coming from?
Perry, I'm on my music a lot.
Your music? Okay. Do you have your ID on you?
I can check.
I just need to look at where you're reaching, my dear. It's right there? Okay. All right, you good?
Yes, I'm
Okay.
sorry. I'm just stressed.
All right,
I don't...
why are you
Why are you
so...
stressed?
Because I've been pulled over like once before.
Okay, here, put your butt right back there.
Nervous drivers tend to over-explain, and that's where stories start to crack.
What's your first name?
Ellie.
Ellie? Hey, Ellie. Do you know what time it is right now? Go without looking, guess.
About like 6:30.
Okay, it's right now it's 7:15. Is there anything that you did today that you think, in terms of medications, alcohol, prescribed, not prescribed drugs, weed, anything like that, that you took today that you think would impair your driving?
No.
Okay. Have you had any alcoholic beverages today?
No. I have been sober for 6.5 months.
Okay. What about marijuana? Any marijuana today? Okay. When was the last time you smoked marijuana?
I'm sober from alcohol, but not marijuana. But
Okay.
marijuana was probably like yesterday or 2 days ago.
Yesterday or 2 days
But
ago?
I don't think it would impair my driving today.
Okay.
The officer then gives her the opportunity to come clean.
So I'm going to give you an opportunity to be honest with me, okay? Because when you opened your door, I saw the bottle of vodka that's in your driver's side of your door.
I don't have any.
Okay. Well, I saw it.
Well,
Hold on. I don't want you reaching in your car.
Okay. You could open the door.
Okay,
and see
I'll
it.
open the door. You can stand with Officer Costa right here.
I'm just saying I don't have a bottle of vodka on my side door.
Okay,
and you
so
can open
you're
that and
okay
look at
with me opening and looking?
Yes.
Maybe she saw it wrong or something. Okay?
Yes,
We're
she
just
can
checking,
open
okay?
and look at it. Okay.
She denies it immediately and insists she has not been drinking.
Okay. So now we have a problem, okay?
What?
I have a really big problem.
What?
Okay. Now we're not cool.
Why?
Okay. And I'll explain to you why we're not cool. Because I saw it there.
I promise you it wasn't
Dear.
there.
Everything's on video, okay?
Okay.
So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna have you stand by with these officers and I'm gonna search your vehicle.
You don't have the warrant to do that.
Actually, I have probable cause because I observed alcohol.
You don't have warrant to do
because
that.
I observed
I have
alcohol.
a right to not let you search my car.
Okay, so
I have a right to not let you search my car.
Unfortunately,
No, I have a right to not let you search my car.
we're not doing this.
From here, things escalate fast after the officer states they have probable cause.
Chill out, okay?
I know
Because
you.
I don't want to have to put you in handcuffs right now.
I know you don't have a right to search my car.
You need
It's
to
an
relax.
exception to the law. It's called a mobile conveyance.
You guys looked in my car before you had the right to search my car,
Listen.
and you saw the weed, and so you don't have a right to search my car.
I don't want to. If you're cooperative, we can figure this out and work through it.
I'm just saying you can't search my car without a warrant with seeing a bowl in my car. You can't search my car without a warrant.
So I know the law.
She pretty much repeats that she has the right to refuse a search, but I'm not going to make you watch that.
You can go stand by that squad car with these two gentlemen, okay? That's your first choice. If you do not want to do that, your second choice is I'm going to put you in handcuffs, okay? Which
You
do you
can't
choose?
search my car without a warrant.
Which do you choose?
You
I'm going to
can't-
give you. I'm not arguing with you. I'm
You
going
can't-
to give you one opportunity right now.
You can't search my
What
car
is your-
without a warrant.
Ellie, it's all on body cam.
You can't search my car
Yes,
without a
we can.
warrant. No, you can't.
Turn around.
Alright.
Turn around.
Do not handcuff me.
We're not gonna do this. We're not gonna do this.
Ellie.
Don't handcuff me.
Ellie.
We already spoke about this. We gave you the
Don't
option.
handcuff me. I'll go to the car with them right now, please.
You have a hand?
I'll go to the car with them right now, please. Don't
Ellie.
handcuff
Ellie,
me.
we're not gonna do
Ellie.
this. We're not gonna do this.
Ellie.
This is when things begin to take a turn for the worst.
Okay, right now you're being placed under arrest, okay? For, well, we're gonna figure it out. It's at least, we'll go illegal consumption of alcohol by a minor right now, okay? Do you have...
Ellie,
Stop.
let's not do that.
Stop it. Stop it.
Take me out of the handcuffs.
Ellie, stop.
Take me out of the handcuffs then.
Listen.
Take me out of the fucking handcuffs.
Ellie, stop.
Take them off.
Listen to me. Take a deep breath. Listen to me.
Can you please take the handcuffs off? Do you understand?
You have to stop screaming.
I have a scar.
Stop screaming. Stop screaming.
Take a deep breath right now.
You can't fight with us.
I won't. Just please take me.
I cannot take you out of the handcuffs because of how out of control you're being right now.
I'll sit in the car.
If you chill out.
She begs to have the cuffs removed. The officer explains its policy and points out the obvious. The more she fights, the longer the cuffs stay on.
I didn't even do anything wrong. It was
Ellie.
Please take off. No, do not buckle me.
Then I'm not gonna buckle.
Please take off the handcuffs because I can't with handcuffs. Please.
Right now, I can't. You know why?
I'll sit here if you take off the handcuffs.
Okay.
If not, I'll run out.
Ellie, listen to me, okay? Because of everything that just happened, I need to ensure that you're safe.
He can buckle me up if you take off the handcuffs, please.
Sweetheart,
He can't buckle me
I
if not.
cannot.
He can't buckle me if not.
So listen, Ellie, the longer we fight, the longer you're gonna be in handcuffs like
Just
this.
please.
She makes the claim she was never driving under the influence and that she's going to fight it in court.
Okay.
What if I didn't drive under the influence? What if I just drank it here?
Well,
I didn't drive under the
Well,
influence. You could
that's
breathalyze me right now and it would come up as more recent.
that's for, sweetheart. That's for you to fight in court.
Okay, I'll fight
And
that.
and that's
I'll
okay.
say that I was gonna have someone come pick me up here.
That's fine.
I was calling my
sister. I'm okay with that. Sweetheart, you can fight that in court. But right now you're under arrest. So this is what I have to do.
I just want to drive home.
I know. Mr. Barillo is going to hand me this so I can put it on
Can
you.
you call her instead of my
I
parents?
will. Yes, I can. Yes, I'll call your sister for you.
Ellie, I'm really trying to prevent you from being wrapped, but you're gonna put me in. You know your sister's number? Do you need your phone?
That's why they're getting my phone. I just said that, dumbass. Are you drunk?
After disrespecting the officers, she expects them to leave her with the vape.
You can't take my vapes though, because my parents buy those for me. You can't take those from me. My parents buy those for me, and I'm 18, and that used to be the age, so you can't take those from me.
You can't have it in the back seat. We'll just put it back in the car. How's that?
No, you're gonna take it then. You can't take it from me, or else you have to give me $27.
Okay.
There's a vape in between.
Okay. So this is the deal. I need to take the vape.
No,
Okay.
you can't.
Ellie, come on.
You can't. Then
Listen,
give me
I'm-
$27 because I just paid all my. I paid.
I'm gonna put it in your car. Okay.
You're gonna put it in
I'm
my
gonna
car.
put it in your car right now. Okay.
Can I hit it first?
No, you cannot.
I'm really stressed. Then you can't take it. Don't
here.
take it. Don't take
have
it. I need it first.
But you are just playing games, girl.
No, I just want my
are.
nicotine.
Okay, well, you can have it. I told you, I'm gonna leave it in your car because you're right. It's not illegal to possess, but
The officer also discovered she committed retail theft.
what's in your pants right here? Is it just your? Don't reach. Do not reach. Oh, okay. We have a retail theft.
No.
Get her out, search.
Please.
Ellie, if you fight, I'm gonna put you in the
I
right.
don't know what you're reaching for. Stop reaching for
I'm not
things.
reaching for anything.
Ellie, what I'm gonna do is a little bit more of a thorough search, just like.
You can't touch me. I give you not
Stop
permission
yelling.
to
Stop
touch
yelling.
me.
Stop
Ellie,
I don't
Ellie,
give you
Ellie.
permission to touch me. I don't give you permission to touch me. I don't give you permission to touch
Ellie.
me. I don't give you permission.
After more and more resistance, things finally get physical again.
Just because you're with the law does not mean you can touch me
for yourself.
without consent. You
Until we set
can't
this up.
touch me without consent. You can't touch me without consent.
Okay, you guys hold on to that. We're not.
Here, come here. Here's the search.
You're touching me. Stop.
Okay, I got.
Keep touching me.
Hey, listen. You have to stop, Ellie.
Stop fighting. Stop fighting.
Stop fighting.
Ellie, stop fighting.
I'm gonna bring you all to fucking court. You asshole. I'm gonna bring.
From here, the officer's objective is rather straightforward. Bring her to the station as quickly and safely as possible.
Ellie, if you continue to dig your nails into me,
I'm gonna dig them as deep as you're digging those fucking handcuffs into me. You the cops, bro. I fucking hate all of you guys.
Ellie, are you injured?
Yes, my fucking wrist.
Okay.
You.
Double check your
Ellie,
cuffs, Ellie.
stop digging your fingernails
If
into
you
my
fight
hands.
him, he can't check your cuffs.
They hurt. They hurt.
Hey.
Ellie,
Hey.
Ellie, okay.
I did that.
No.
on
All
purpose.
right, just put her in.
I did that on purpose.
Really, you can just take her straight to county.
After getting her back in the vehicle, she doesn't settle down.
boyfriend's gonna kill me. He's gonna break up with me. Your boyfriend's gonna break up with me! Ah! Doc, help me! Help me, please! Ow! Help! Help! Help!
After the first spitting incident, officers were not going to take another chance.
Thank you. Please unbuckle this. I need to get out. I need to get out.
All right, we're gonna get you out, okay? I'm gonna put this on your head, okay? All right, hold on.
I can't breathe. I'm thirsty. Get this out of my mouth. Get this out of my mouth, please. Handcuffs off of me. Get this out of my mouth.
Upon arrival at the station, the breath sample was reported to be .091.
You're not gonna get anywhere like that.
You!
Okay?
I need to go home.
In the morning.
No, right now.
No. When you calm down, let me know and I'll get you booked in the process and I'll get you on the phone. But you have to show me that you're gonna calm down and you're gonna behave.
I need to go
Okay?
home.
You will in the morning.
No, I need you right
No.
now.
Comment down below if you know somebody who would do this. If you enjoy videos like this, make sure to hit subscribe. See you in the next one.